In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Fujitsu air conditioner remote when it's not working or responding, covering reset, battery, and IR issues. First, check the remote's batteries, replace them with fresh ones, and make sure they're inserted correctly. Weak or dead batteries are the most common cause of remote problems. Next, ensure nothing is blocking the remote's infrared IR signal. The remote needs a clear line of sight to the air conditioner's sensor to work properly. Remove any obstacles like furniture or curtains. Try resetting the remote by removing the batteries and pressing all buttons once. Then reinsert the batteries and test the remote again. You can check if the remote's IR signal is working by using a smartphone camera. Point the remote at the camera lens and press any button. If you see a flashing light on the phone screen, the remote is sending a signal. If not, the remote might be faulty. Make sure the air conditioner's receiver sensor on the unit is clean and free of dust or dirt. Wipe it gently with a soft cloth. If your Fujitsu aircon has a manual control panel, try turning it on manually to ensure the unit is working. Sometimes power cycling helps. Turn off the aircon, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and try the remote again. If none of these steps fix the problem, the remote or the air conditioner's receiver might be damaged and need repair or replacement. Following these steps should get your Fujitsu air conditioner remote working again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.